Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch Python date and time. To use date and time in Python, you need to import date and time module. Okay, import date time as dt. Okay, so first of all, I'm just printing dt. Let me see what it will print. Okay, Python app.py module date and time from Python library. Okay, it just imported, showing the directory of dt. Sure, you could see min here, max here, all built in, all the function which has been available in the date and time. Okay, now print dt dot date dot today. Okay, dt dot date dot today. Here 22/4/28. Now print dt dot date time dot now. First, on the first I am just imported only date now with the date and time. Here 28/4/2022, 23/42/02 with a millisecond. Now I am just manually entering a random date. Okay, dt dot date time, that is equal to 2000 1 1 00 00 00. Okay, saving my file and running. The manually entered date has been printed. Okay, now day equal to dt dot date 2009 5 1. Okay, now new day, printing day. Here 1/5/2009. Now new day equal to day dot replace. So I am just replacing day equal to 5, month equal to 10, year equal to 2012. Okay, print day dot year. So I'm just printing day dot year 2009. Here replaced my new date, but this day dot year was showing this date and time option, so that's why it was showing the year is 2009. Now if I print new day dot month, it will show 10. Okay, it will show 10. Now print new day dot day, new day dot day, it will show 5th date. Okay, now time, same module for the time. Time equal to dt dot time inside the time 10 30 15. Okay, print time dot hour, print time dot minute, then print time dot second. Okay, time dot hour, minute, second, 10 30 15th second. Okay, now another day equal to day plus. So my day date, here printing day, here printing the day. Another day equal to day plus time delta of adding days equal to, I am just adding from the day to 5 days. Okay, print another day. Here my day is 1/5/2009, but adding 5 days after that 6/5 2009. Okay, another day equal to, here I am just changing weeks equal to 2. I need to print my result. Okay, here you could see after 2 weeks, 6th day to 15th day. Okay, now I'm just using minus option. Here minus, then days equal to 10 days. I'm just minusing 10 days. Here you could see 21/4/2009, 1/5/2009 to 21/4/2009. Okay, now new day equal to dt dot date time 2007 comma 9 comma 1 comma 22 comma 30 comma 45. Okay, 45. So my date with time, print new day. Okay, print new day. Here 1/9/2007, 22 30 45. Now I am going to use shift time option, okay, to print the specific details on new day. Okay, new day, to represent the day, shift time. Okay, here A, percentile A. This will show the day of that 1/9/2007. So that is the Saturday. To show on full data, capital A. Okay, capital A, it will show completely Saturday. Okay, after that, to represent the day, okay, to represent the day you need to use percentage option. Here the date is 1. Okay, here hash d will eliminate if there is a 0 on our date. Okay, hash d, percentage hash d, sorry, percentage hash d will show only number element without 0. Okay, now month, shift time dot percentile b, month number, I think so, no, month name. To show on the full element, percentile capital B. Okay, percentile capital B to represent full month. Then to represent in number, m, to eliminate the 0 on our value, percentile slash m 9, then year, percentile y. Here will be 07, means 2007 it was showing 07 alone. To eliminate that 0 also, percentile asterisk y 7. To represent full year, percentile capital Y 2007. To show how time, okay, to show the time, we could able to use that option also, or percentile m, then percentile seconds. Okay, to show am or pm, percentile p. Okay, small p. Saving my file and running 22 30 45. Okay, if you replace the value to I, it will show 10:30 pm. Okay, it will show up on 12 hour standard, 10:30 45 pm. Okay, now printing all the statement, new day dot shift new day dot shift, we are going to represent percentile D for date, percentile not asterisk, percentile B for month, then percentile Y for capital year, then what is the day for that, percentile capital A, after that timing. Here 1st September 2007 Saturday 22:30:45 p.m. Okay. Now new day equal to dt dot datetime dot now function, then print new day, and print new day dot timestamp. Okay, timestamp function. Here you could see on the timestamp format here showing my current day and time. So this is how you use date and time on Python. Okay, so on next lecture we are going to watch exception handling.